Hello, friends. Welcome back to English for Beginners. In our last video, we learned the first 20 questions for daily conversation. We talked about greetings and daily routines. Today, we are going to finish the list. In this video, part 2, we will cover questions 21 to 50. We are going to talk about the fun stuff, your hobbies, your job, and your dreams. Are you ready to become an English conversation master? Let's jump right in with question number 21. Part 3, hobbies, interests, and favorites. These questions help you make friends and find things you have in common. 21. What do you do for fun? Creative answer.
I like painting and writing.
Active answer.
I play soccer with my friends.
Relaxed answer.
I just watch Netflix and relax.
Grammar note. After enjoy or like, we often use the verb with ing. Example, I enjoy playing. I like reading. 22. What is your favorite food? Cuisine answer.
I love Italian food, especially pasta.
Specific answer.
My favorite food is sushi.
Taste answer.
I really like spicy food.
Grammar note. Cuisine means a style of cooking from a specific country. Italian cuisine, Japanese cuisine. 23. Do you like to travel? Enthusiastic answer.
Yes, I love traveling. I want to see the world.
Homebody answer.
Not really. I prefer staying at home.
Specific answer.
I like traveling to the beach, but I don't like cities.
24. What kind of music do you like? Genre answer.
I listen to pop and rock music.
Artist answer.
I am a big fan of Taylor Swift.
General answer.
I like everything, except heavy metal.
Grammar note. Genre means the type or category jazz, classical, hip-hop. 25. Can you play an instrument? Yes, answer.
Yes, I play the guitar and the piano.
No answer.
No, I have no musical talent.
Learning answer.
I am learning to play the violin.
Mini story.
That is a beautiful piano. Can you play?
I play a little bit. I took lessons when I was a child.
Please play a song for me.
26. What is your favorite movie? Specific answer.
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Genre answer.
I love horror movies. They are scary.
Indecisive answer.
That is a hard question. I like too many movies.
27. Do you like reading books? Bookworm answer.
Yes, I read every night before bed.
Non-reader answer.
No, I find reading boring. I prefer movies.
Format answer.
I listen to audiobooks in my car.
Grammar note. Bookworm is a cute nickname for someone who loves reading. 28. Do you have any pets? Dog lover answer.
Yes, I have a golden retriever named Max.
Cat lover answer.
I have 2 cats.
No answer.
No, my apartment does not allow pets.
Grammar note. If you love dogs, you are a dog person. If you love cats, you are a cat person. 29. What is your favorite season? Summer.
I love summer because I can go to the beach.
Winter.
I like winter. I love the snow and Christmas.
Spring or fall?
I like spring because the flowers are beautiful.
30. Do you follow sports? Fan answer.
Yes, I am a huge fan of Manchester United.
Casual answer.
I only watch the World Cup.
No answer.
No, I don't understand sports.
Grammar note. To root for a team means you want them to win. I root for the Lakers. Part 4. Work, school, and skills. These are a bit more formal. Use them with colleagues or classmates. 31. Where did you go to university? Direct answer.
I went to Oxford University.
Subject answer.
I studied at the University of Tokyo.
Non-university.
I didn't go to university. I started working after high school.
32. What was your major? Major equals the main subject you studied. Standard answer.
I majored in history.
Specific answer.
My major was computer science.
Grammar note. You can say, I studied history or I majored in history. Both are correct. 33. Do you like your job? Positive.
Yes, it is very interesting.
Negative.
It is okay, but it is very stressful.
Neutral.
It pays the bills.
This means I do it for money, not fun. Mini story. Do you like being an accountant?
Ideally, no. It is boring, but it pays the bills. I want to be a painter.
34. How long have you worked there? Short time.
I just started last month.
Long time.
I have worked there for 10 years.
Specific.
Since 2015.
Grammar note. Use the present perfect tense, have worked, because you started in the past and you still work there now. 35. What languages do you speak? Standard answer.
I speak Spanish and English.
Specific answer.
My native language is French, but I speak English too.
Grammar note. Native language, or mother tongue, is the first language you learned as a baby. 36. Can you drive? Yes, answer.
Yes. I have my driver's license.
No answer.
No, I never learned how to drive.
Learning answer.
I am taking driving lessons now.
37. Are you good at computers? Expert.
Yes, I am a programmer.
Average.
I can use Word and Excel, but that's it.
Bad.
No, I am terrible with technology.
38. Do you prefer working alone or in a team? Team answer.
I like working in a team. It is more fun.
Alone answer.
I prefer working alone. I can focus better.
Mix answer.
I like both, depending on the project.
39. What is your dream job? Creative answer.
I want to be a writer.
Rich answer.
I want to be the CEO of a big company.
Helpful answer.
I want to be a doctor and save lives.
40. How do you handle stress? Exercise answer.
I go for a run when I am stressed.
Relax answer.
I take a hot bath and listen to music.
Social answer.
I talk to my friends.
Grammar note. Handle means manage or deal with. This is a very common interview question. Part 5. Past experiences and future plans. These questions help you tell stories about your life. 41. What did you do last weekend? Active.
I went hiking with my family.
Lazy.
I did nothing. It was wonderful.
Social.
I went to a birthday party.
Grammar note. Use the past simple tense here. Went, did, saw, ate. 42. Have you ever been to country? Yes.
Yes, I have been there twice.
No.
No, I have never been there, but I want to go.
Grammar note. Have you ever? Ask about life experience. Mini story. Have you ever been to Paris?
No, never. Have you?
Yes, I went there on my honeymoon. It is beautiful. 43. What are you doing next summer? Plan.
I am going to visit my grandmother.
Hope?
I hope to go to the beach.
Unknown.
I have no plans yet.
44. What is the best meal you ever ate? Story answer.
I ate a fresh pizza in Naples, Italy. It was amazing.
Mom's cooking.
My mother's chocolate cake is the best.
45. Are you a morning person or a night person? Morning.
I am definitely a morning person. I have energy at 6 a.m.
Night.
I am a night owl. I hate mornings.
46. What is your biggest fear? Common.
I am afraid of spiders.
Deep.
I am afraid of failure.
Fun.
I am afraid of ghosts.
Grammar note. Use afraid of or scared of. 47. If you won the lottery, what would you buy? House.
I would buy a big house for my parents.
Travel.
I would travel to every country in the world.
Car.
I would buy a Ferrari.
Grammar note. This is a hypothetical question, imagination. We use would. 48. What is your favorite holiday? Christmas.
I love Christmas because of the presents and family.
Halloween.
I like Halloween because I like costumes.
New Year.
New Year's Eve is the best party.
49. Do you have any plans for tonight? Yes.
Yes, I have a date.
No.
No, I'm just going to relax.
Work.
Unfortunately, I have to work late.
50. Why are you learning English? Travel.
I want to travel and talk to people.
Work.
I need English for my job.
Fun.
I like American movies and I want to understand them.
Mini story. Why are you studying so hard?
Because I want to make friends around the world. English is the key.
That is a great reason. Keep going. Wow, that was a long lesson. We learned 50 questions and answers. If you know these questions, you can have a conversation with anyone in English. Practice tip. Don't try to memorize all 50 today. Day 1, learn questions 1 to 10. Day 2, learn questions 11 to 20. Take your time. You are doing a great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Review these videos anytime you need to practice. If this series helped you, please subscribe to English for Beginners and share this video with a friend who is learning English. Great job today, and see you in the next lesson.